Welcome, today I am with Jabra 75T and I'll show you how you can change voice notifications language. At first you have to open Jabra Sound Plus application. Next tap on this switcher in the right upper corner and go for personalize your headset. Pick voice notification language and here we can change for one of them. So if you want to pick Deutsch, just click on it and you have to charge the battery of your headset and also of your phone. Of the charging case to the at least 50%, and after that you will be able to hit this grayed out update now button. So yeah, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.